From a downward looking pose here, you can lift the wheel up, give it a spin. And if that wheel deviates side to side, that more than likely means that your wheel is out of true, which is a symptom of your spoke tension being off. Likewise, if you look at the wheel from a sideways pose like this and give it a spin, if you notice a hop in that wheel or a bulge where it's not exactly a perfect circle anymore, that's probably, again, an issue of your spoke tension. Now, as terms of audible cues, what you can do is while you're riding, go ahead and listen. If you hear pinging noises while you ride, especially over bumps, curves, etc., that again is a sign that your spokes are probably loose and they're shifting. First thing is I use the valve stem as a point of reference to make sure I haven't duplicated my spin. And what I'll do is squeeze each spoke pairing where the spokes overlap and just go through that whole wheel like that. What you're looking for is a good uniformity in spoke tension. If you feel a spoke that's grossly too tight or loose, go ahead and stop by your local bike shop and I'll get you fixed up. So, a spoke pair, guys, is where a set of spokes here interlace like that, okay? So what you're gonna wanna do is check both sides of the wheel, all those spoke pairings, and check for that proper tension. The short answer is no. The average person isn't equipped with the tools necessary. Average person's not gonna have things like a truing stand, a tension checking tool, spoke prep, new spoke nipples, and the correct size of spoke, as well as just the knowledge of how to get that wheel true and round again, as well as equally tensioned. So guys, if you have a broken spoke and you're not privy to it at all, just take it to your bike shop, they'll get you going.